In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to text in Google Slides in 2025. Adding a drop shadow can make your text stand out, giving it a professional and polished look. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to Google Slides, you can follow along effortlessly. To begin with, let's head over to Google Slides. Simply open your web browser and type in Google Slides in the search bar, or you can go directly to the link if you have it available. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial because access to your slides, whether it's for creating new ones or editing existing presentations, requires a Google account. Once signed in and you're on the Google Slides home screen, you can choose how to start your presentation. You'll see an option to either click on blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or select one of the available templates if you prefer some built-in design elements. For the purpose of adding a shadow to text, either option works, so it's really about what suits your needs best at the moment. Once you're in your presentation, adding text is the next step. Click anywhere on the slide to create a text box. If you're working on a blank presentation, you may need to insert a text box, which you can do from the toolbar. Type in whatever text you want to enhance with a shadow. Make sure it's readable and something you want to emphasize with a shadow effect. Now, with your text selected, it's time to move to the format options. You'll find this in the toolbar, probably next to or near the font settings. Clicking format options opens up a new panel on the right side of your screen with various text and object formatting options. Here, look for the drop shadow option in the list and click on it. This action will apply a shadow to your selected text, giving it depth and a bit more presence on the slide. You can further customize the shadow effect if you wish, adjust values for transparency, angle, distance and blur radius according to what looks best for your design. These options allow you to tweak how prominent or subtle you want the shadow effect to appear. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your text pop on your slides using the drop shadow feature in Google Slides. This little trick can significantly impact the visual appeal of your presentations, making them more engaging and easier to read. Feel free to explore further customizations offered by Google Slides to make your textual content stand out even more. Happy presenting!